invited Rodney. So I've kind of been dreading this. I knew that there was going to be a possibility of this being irreparable. Whenever I was doing the 25 pounds on my map for boost, somehow, and I should have caught this, I should have checked it, it's on me. It's completely on me. But somehow my timing, instead of being at 20 degrees before top dead center, it was 5 degrees after top dead center. And I was doing all those pulls, I was doing two-step, and it never crossed my mind to check my base timing. So this is 100% my fault. I'm absolutely never gonna say that the companies that I have purchased my internals from were not the issue. Wiseco Pistons, you guys know, is a really good brand. Brian Crower is an absolute killer. They are second to none when it comes to their products. And the Eagle rods have a great reputation. So I'm not gonna say that my rods were bad or my pistons or anything like that. This is all 100% my fault. And I should have checked it. I just never did. I never did. But that is definitely a blow that I didn't want to take on the engine, because like I've said before, I've spent about $5,500 total just on the engine. To have to pull it for something so dumb, and it could have been prevented, is just beyond me. This also does make for some better content, so you guys can let me know down in the comments below if you feel like I should go a different route. I'm very biased to the KA motor. It is a very strong iron block. It's a great motor. Throw it down in the comments if you guys think you want to see me go to 2J, a K series. 2JZ is one of my favorites. I can never go wrong with that one. The RB, a little bit out of my reach. I mean, just drop it in the comments. You guys can let me know what you think. I wanted to go ahead and throw up this video for you guys and let you see and hear and know what the process is right now. I might do a live stream just so I can get some Q&A with you guys and just kind of go through everything. I'm not gonna sugarcoat or hide anything from you guys, so definitely put in the comments though, KA, 2J, I'm not doing an SR. This is also with using this. So the noises that are coming from my motor, stabilizer isn't helping. The motor's gonna have to come out. The machine work was a little iffy. I'll get everything redone right, and then we'll go from there. Seriously, who invited Rodney? Who invited Rodney? But with all this being said, you guys, like I said, I just wanted to get you guys out a small little video. It might only be a couple minutes long, but you guys get to see and hear and witness exactly what's going on. But on that note, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good night.